YouTube, it's Debbie. My son Matt's girlfriend, Lucy, came to visit us from London, and she brought me these amazing little treats to try. So, in just a minute, I'm gonna get them open and we're gonna try them. Let's see how they taste. Okay, first off is the cherry Bakewells. Now let me tell you, I watched YouTube videos on what were the best snacks from London, and I mentioned them to Lucy and she found them. So this was one of the ones I really wanted to try. Now it's got a cherry right there. I'm kind of nervous. This reminds me, I don't know if you live in Texas, we have little pecan pies that come in this little foil. So I'm kind of excited. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Can you see in there? They're really good. Really good. Thumbs up on this one. Okay, the next one. I saw this on the video too, but actually Colin is a cake. It's a long caterpillar cake and it has Colin's head on the front. And I thought it was so cute. But M&S, which is
Marks and Spencer's.
Marks and Spencer's, makes these adorable little ones. Look how cute they are. It's Colin's face. So I'm going to try this one. I believe it's a white chocolate, I think. That one's really good too. All right, we got one more to go. All right, the last one is another from Mr. Kipling. It's called the French Fancies. This one, when I saw it, it reminded me of pedophores here in America. So, there's something cute about these. He called it a little nipple. And if you look, it's raised up, and inside of it is a cream. So I'm really excited to try this one. I'm gonna try the pink one. Now this one's lemon, and lemon is my favorite, but I wanna try the pink. Oh my goodness. It's a pedophore. It tastes like a pedophore. You can see in there. So good. So thankful to Lucy for bringing these to me. And if she'll let me, I'm gonna take some home to my grandkids in Texas. All right, thank you guys. Now, we're gonna turn the camera and we're gonna have Lucy try a piece of pumpkin pie, which she never has. Get ready. All right, guys, I'm back. This is Lucy, and we have the giggles, we do. She is going to try pumpkin pie. They do not have pumpkin pie in London, do they?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, we don't really know, but she's never tried it. So, being that it was Thanksgiving not too long ago, we're going to let her try pumpkin pie. And guys, she's pickier than me.
Oh, no.
Oh, don't get a big... Yeah, that's okay. Okay. Go for it. Oh. It's okay?
Mm-hmm.
If you need to spit it out, it's okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This was a lot of fun. I'm glad y'all get to meet Lucy. We'll see you later. Bye. All right, guys, I got this bonus on this other machine. I don't know what that blue thing is on the bottom. Oh, come on, come on. Did the drawers stick on this one? No. Or do they? I don't know what happens on this one. I've never played this one before. Kelly was playing it a while ago. I got 3 pearls for the free games. I don't understand. The other game I played, the doors lock. I don't know what these do. I missed the first spin. I was trying to figure out what was on my camera. All right, we're up to $64. Hey, that's pretty good. It's still counting up. Oh yeah, it's still counting up. I don't want to touch it because I don't know this thing. This is totally new to me. But I did get the shaky shaky, and it gave me the bonus, and it gave me the 3 pearls. So, are we almost through counting? How many lines in this game? Yeah, that one paid $49. So let's see what else we get. I want to hit it so bad, guys. There we go. Oh, come on. 40. And we got 4 spins left. Okay, I'm gonna hit it. I'm sorry. It was probably stupid to hit it. It probably messed it up. Oh no, that should be good, right? 35. Here, let me maybe make that a little more wide for y'all. There you go. I'm not gonna hit it. I'm just gonna let it go because I feel like I messed that one up. We're up to 187 with 2 games left. Alright, we got 2 more spins, guys. I'm sorry it's taken so long, but it has taken a while to add these numbers up. The good news is I put in a ticket. Oh, good grief. Oh, come on. Oh, we got jacks all the way across. That's only 15. I put in a ticket for 200, so I at least got my money back. Oh, come on, all the way across. Yes. Oh, it's jack. No. All right, guys. That was the pearls. I got the 3 pearls. And that was on the shaky. So, oh, look at these coins. Very pretty. All right. I'm going to hit it. Okay, I'm up to 248. I'm doing that same 750 bet on the 1 cent denom, and I'm gonna keep playing it. Oh, that was 5. I don't really know a lot about this one, so I don't know what the bonus symbols are, what the wild is. I'm assuming this is the wild. Oh, we got it. Yes! That mini's 10. All right, let's see. We got it naturally, too. Oh, very nice. Nice. Another mini for 10. Yes, keep going. Give me that mega. Come on. One more. Show that time. Come on, horsies. Yes. Oh my goodness, that should be really good. 32.50. Yeah, that is the wild symbol. Oh, we got him a little bit. Come on, shaky for me again. I love the shake. I love it. It's so cool. But I'm glad y'all got to see a natural bonus too, because they don't come around that often. We need something to happen. I don't want to let this go below 200. And it's terrible because that's what I started with. But, oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, that's a little bit. Yeah, nice. I know this is a big bet, and I know this is a lot for me to bet. But I'm telling you, this bet has been so good to me. I wanted to try it. All right, come on. We're getting close to the end here. With a $7.50 bet, it doesn't last long. We definitely need a shake real quick. Oh, that would have been real good. Alright guys, I'm going to end it there. That was, what's this one called? It's probably some kind of Neptune or something. It doesn't say. It doesn't tell me the name. I'm sorry guys. I'll try to plug it in on the thumbnail of this video. We will, let's see, maybe I can tell you. Hang on. It's showing me a bunch of stuff. No, it's not going to show me. We'll see you later. Okay, I was bad. I played a little bit more. You know me. I did get this naturally, guys, and we've got about, I don't know, we got a lot of money on the board. Let's see what we can get. Come on, something drop. Thank you. $200 ball. Oh my goodness. $200 ball. Come on, one more. Last one. Oh. Oh, that was worth playing a little more for. Wow, $3.59. We should get the diamonds with this one. No diamonds, just the queens. All right, I'm at 933. Keep going. I'm going to take it down to 800. How about that? Wow, that was a $120 one. No, just recording. Alright guys, I'm playing a little high limit hand of magic. This one I'm betting 10 cents, $5 bet because I tried, my ticket's way down, I tried the 25-cent one and I had no luck. So let's see what we can get, if anything. I'll take tickets. see how we do. I am on the 1 cent denom 250 bet. Let's see how it goes. We need 6 trains in this, please, or lots of him. That should be good. More games. Let's keep it going. We're up to 29.50. I was headed to the other fire links and I saw this was open, so why not? I really would like those trains. I have not had the trains this trip. Oh, that's good. Look at that. Wow. Wow, we're up to 53.25 with 3 games left. Come on, you crazy trains. Last spin. Come on. With me if you want. I'm alternating $2.50 and $5. I don't really like it that it makes that sound every time we change the bet, but I don't care. Oh my goodness. There's a club to the right of me and it is really loud. That's okay. Because the louder that is, you don't hear, it's somebody singing, so shouldn't get a copyright from somebody singing. I was willing to take this one. Do it. Yes, got it. Again, never mind. I said I was going to take it to 200, but hey, I'll take those 3 games, and this time it's on the $5 bet. Let's do it. How about the trains here? That would be really nice. Oh, come on. Oh, man, it blocked it, and then it didn't give them to me. Come on. Ooh, that should be really good. Aw. Yeah, I think maybe $30, something like that. Maybe more. I'm surprised we didn't get a coin show with that. That seems like a lot of him. That's really good, too. I'm still waiting on my drink, so I'll be here. Oh, $54. $1. Got 2 more spins. All right, last spin. Come on, trains on the last spin. Come on, trains. No trains. All right, we'll keep on going. What are we at? Oh, we're at 403. Nice. I'll just take it down to 300. would have said $3.50, but I want those trains. Oh, nice. I paid $10.50. I ordered me another Virgin Miami Vice with no whipped cream. I love those things. They make them really good here at the Cosmo. If you've never had a Miami Vice, it is a combination. It's a combination of pina colada and strawberry daiquiri. So it's just really good taste. Even virgin, people. Where are all these trains? We are not even getting teased by these trains. I don't know what's up with that. Come on. I haven't even had like 5 or... Aw, man. Alright, guys. That was Dynamite Dash at the Cosmo.